is a snowman. It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye. It's fun time with Anna. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making turkeys and I am going to do it with my sister Aaliyah. Hi guys. Aaliyah, are you ready?
Of course I am.
Let's get into it.
What we'll need is
Hearts, stuffing. Let's put them in.
and we also need turkeys, Anna.
Yeah, I forgot.
We can't stuff a turkey without a turkey.
Let's go.
So first we need the hearts.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. I did it. Oh, yeah.
I need to get mine in.
Okay,
Okay, there it goes. Next, we'll need to stuff the stuffing in.
Yeah. Go out. Go stuff it in. Oh,
That's a lot of stuff.
we're gonna take.
How is it gonna fit? Look at Anna's. Yeah, it's too small for that big clump.
Woo. Oh, I forgot you guys were here. I'm still stuffing.
Look how big my turkey looks already.
Mine is gonna look huge, like humongous. What is in the zone? Him the microphone. I don't ask why I was dancing. I'm stuffing still. I am still stuffing. Like, stuffed animal up.
We're both still stuffing on it.
Or stuffed animal.
How are we gonna fit it in here?
Push make some raisins.
Imagine that we are alive, 'cause we on time.
Stuck in the air. In the air. In the air.
I think we might need something to stuff the arms.
Sorry guys, we had to stop singing when we were singing. I don't know. Whoa guys, mine is gonna get floppy, I think.
Look at mine.
It's super floppy.
It's chubby.
Because I'm chubby. Chubby. I'm chubby. Chubby. Stuff anal. Oh, sorry guys. I forgot you were here again. Oh, I forgot. Put back with mine.
This side is a little flat. I think I need to put more stuffing over there.
Mine stuffing. And so much stuffing. I'm gonna keep putting stuffing in.
This is probably way too much stuffing.
Oh, hi guys.
Now we have to zip up the back.
Oh, it's so strong up here. Oh, I did it. Now all I have to do is push it down. That was easy. That was really not
Mine is
hard.
difficult.
Hey. I can push. No! I wish that was your tap.
Turkey baby.
Turkey baby. And turkey what?
My turkey is done. And so is Anna's.
I ain't no gurky turkey.
Yeah, we're not turkeys.
I ain't no gurky turkey. And we ain't not out any gurky turkey. Up here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.